Hello. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. If you're not subscribed, please do. And turn on your notification bell so you don't miss anything. Today we're making underwear. Panty making is so much fun, especially if you've had difficulties finding things that fit well. And as you saw at the top of the video, this is a matching panty to a bra that I made in a previous video. I'll place a link down in the description so that you can take a look. It's so gratifying to be able to make your own underwear. Here I'm showing you how the pieces fit together. In this video, I'm making high-waisted panties. I'm using two kinds of mesh. Both are non-stretch, and this is the center part of the front panel. A common theme you'll find in my videos is that I do a lot of hand stitching. You'll find when working with very fine fabrics like meshes and silks and satins that you'll want to stabilize with hand sewing before taking them over to the sewing machine. The sewing machine can sometimes push those fabrics around, and when you're making underwear, all of those stresses in the fabrics, puckers and things like that really show up in your final product. And that's the last thing you want under your clothes. You want a smooth, flat finish. Here I'm attaching the gusset, the main fabric, and the cotton to the center front panel. The sides of the front panel are made with stretch meshes, and they go together with wrong sides together so that we can hide the raw edges under the outer trim. This also offers a very smooth, clean finish on the inside of the panty. Trim the seam allowance to about 1/8 of an inch. Before applying the trim, you want to press the seam allowance to the sides and then use a straight stitch on both sides of the trim to make sure that the outer edges are firmly attached. At the front waist, we have a waistband. When applying it, you're going to apply the right side of the waistband to the wrong side of the front panel. And here I'm attaching a 1-inch elastic we're going to zigzag that in place over the original stitch that attaches the waistband to the front panel. Cover the elastic by folding the raw edge over it, making sure that it's nice and flat. Now fold the waistband to the front panel. This is the right side of the front panel. Then top stitch the waistband in place with a zigzag stitch near the fold of the lower edge of the waistband. Right sides together, attach the back panel of the panty to the front at the back crotch seam. And then you're going to take the cotton gusset, turn it with a little flip so that you can place the right side of it to the wrong side of the back panel, so that when you flip it all out, exposing the right sides, it's finished on the inside as well as the outside. Top stitch about 1/4 of an inch from the back crotch seam, and then serge on the elastics. Notice that the elastics are just shy of the total length of where it's being applied. I usually reduce the elastic by about 10% of the total length. So if the waistband is 14 inches, then the elastic length will be just a little more than 12.5 inches, so about 12.6 inches. Next, hem the back waistband, turning the elastic inside and stitching with a small zigzag stitch. Right sides together, serge the side seams. Hem the legs of the panties, turning the side seam allowances to the back using a small zigzag stitch. Tucking in the tail from the serged seam, turn the seam allowance to the back and use a small stitch to tack it in place. All done. You can check out the matching bra to this panty via the link in the description below. hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you again for stopping by. By the time this video has been uploaded, we will have reached 200 subscribers. Thank you so much. If you're interested in seeing me make any particular styles of lingerie or loungewear, hit me up in the comments below. What do you think of these high-waisted panties? Thank you for watching. Please share if you care.